don't know whether I should film the intro with the light on or off. I'm just gonna film it twice. Hey guys, this is, wow. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be filming a video on this look right here. This makeup look right here. I'm just gonna start off by saying this is really weird to me. I haven't filmed a video in so long. Makeup look at that. I haven't filmed a makeup video in so long. And to be honest, since the last time I filmed a makeup video, I feel like my makeup skills have gotten like 10 times better. So this video is very, very much necessary. This is just a simple little look I did. Well, I mean, it's not that simple, but it's a look I did using pinks and mauves when it comes to eyeshadow, and as well as my full face. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got this eyeshadow look, this eye look, as long as my entire full face after that. So you guys will literally get to just see how I do my entire makeup. You know what? I just really needed a reason to put on makeup. Like, I have all this makeup and sometimes no reason to put it on. So I was like, why not just make a video? And for those of you always asking how I do, like, you know, my face makeup, my foundation, how sometimes I make it look so perfect and flawless, and as well as how I do my eyeshadow, this video is just for you. It's perfect for you guys. So many people in my personal life as well always asking me how I do my makeup, how I do my foundation, my skin. I mean, you'll get to see everything in this video. You guys will get to see some of my tricks, I guess, that I do for my skin. But I mean, key to making skin look good is always, you have to already have, you know, taken care of a nice skin, a good canvas to work with, and then your foundation will always look flawless. So if you guys want to see how I got this entire look right here, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off by priming my eyelids with my concealer and powder, since I didn't have my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm just going to blend my concealer out with my Beauty Blender. And then I'm setting it with my Ben Nye Banana Powder. I'm then using my Carli Bybel palette and these two shades right here. These are my two favorite shades from the palette for my crease, just to start it off, sort of as base colors and transition colors, just to help make everything a lot easier to blend. Then I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette and this color right here, Love Letter. I'm going to put that into my crease just to deepen it up a little bit lower than the other two colors. And I'm just going to keep adding more and more and winging it at the same time towards the end of my eyebrow. And then just keep blending and doing the same thing over and over and just deepening it up to my desired look. I'm using the Galaxy Chic palette by BH Cosmetics and this color right here called Saturn. I'm going to use that on my eyelid. This is a really nice metallic-y pink color, really light shade of pink. And I'm going back in just to fix up the crease. I'm applying my liquid eyeliner, and this is a super slim one by L'Oreal. This is Benefit's Porefessional. I'm using it as a base for my face. This one's great if you want to fill in pores and just mattify your face a little bit. I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm going to apply that straight to my Beauty Blender. I usually only use one pump, but sometimes I use a little bit more. And I'm just going to keep blending that until it looks smooth and looks like my skin, if you know what I mean. Something I always like to do is use my NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector, and this, I guess, is sort of my trick. I don't ever put on concealer without it. It just makes my under eye a lot brighter than it would be. And I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Just going to apply that in a triangle shape underneath my eyes, and then I'm just going to blend that out. My key to blending is just to keep blending everything until it looks like my skin, as natural as possible. And I always use my Banana Powder by Ben Nye to set my under eye first, sort of heavily. I'm not baking, but I'm heavily packing it on. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the same powder. I'm just going back in to fix up my eyeshadow and add more colors, as well as add the color Saturn to my inner corner tear duct area. And a little trick I like to do for my under eye concealer is I'll take my MAC Studio Fix powder and I'll like really heavily pack that on underneath my eyes. This really helps brighten up your under eyes and just looks super nice in pictures. It blurs any lines, any indentations. It's like sort of my trick. And since this powder is originally a foundation powder, is what helps it cover up and conceal your dark circles even more. Now I'm just adding the same colors from my crease onto my lower lash line. And I'm applying some false eyelashes. These are called Goddess by House of Lashes. Using my Anastasia contour kit and these two shades right here, I'm just gonna contour my face a little bit, add some color. And I'm probably going to put it a little bit here and there, but mainly contour my cheeks. And I broke the blush that I'm using, but it's actually one by Sigma. I can list it down below. I'm just applying that to my cheeks.
You tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. Wonder where you been? Who is that texting your phone?
And since I forgot to put on mascara before my false eyelashes, I'm just going to put some on now, as well to my lower lash line. I'm just going to lightly brush out my eyebrows and fill them in using my Anastasia brow definer. I usually just fill in spots where there's like less hair or where my eyebrows are a little bit uneven. And now I'm taking my Becca Jaclyn Hill highlight palette and I'm using the color Champagne Pop. It's my favorite. I always use this one. I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones as well as to the tip of my nose, and this is my favorite part. And lastly, I'm going to line my lips with MAC's Soar Lip Liner, or should I say overline my lips? I'm going to totally overline my lips. I love overlining my lips. You guys will see that here. This is one of my favorite lip liners to overline my lips with. And I'm using Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Share. And just going to fill my lips in with that. And I noticed I have to dab my lips together a lot more with these liquid lipsticks. Ended up applying this metallic-y shade by CoverGirl on top at the end, and it made a huge difference. So I'll list that down below. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, the links will be down below. It's xprincess_Jasmine if you're wondering. And be sure to like, favorite, or is it a like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!